Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best cordless vacuums, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Bissell Cleanview Cordless Vacuum. When you choose the Bissell Cordless Vacuum, you're not just investing in a cleaner home, you're making a difference. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. With every purchase, you contribute to this heartfelt cause. Clean with a purpose and feel great about giving back. The Bissell Cordless Vacuum is packed with power, featuring a 60% more powerful motor than the Shark 9 141. This upgraded suction strength ensures a deep clean on all surfaces, effortlessly capturing dirt, dust, and debris. Pet parents, rejoice! The deep cleaning fur brush is your go-to tool for conquering stubborn pet hair on upholstery, stairs, cars, and beyond. No more fur battles, just clean pet-friendly spaces. Enjoy true cordless convenience with up to 40 minutes of runtime. The removable 24 VMAX lithium-ion battery delivers long-lasting power, and with 3 versatile cleaning modes, you can easily switch between light touch-ups and heavy-duty cleaning. Glide through your home without being tethered to an outlet, making household chores quicker and more enjoyable. Whether you're tackling daily messes or diving into a deep clean, the Bissell Cordless Vacuum offers unmatched performance and flexibility. Number 2. SMOTURE 550W Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience powerful, hassle-free cleaning with the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 550W45 kilopascals. Equipped with a 550W super powerful motor, this vacuum offers an incredible 45 kilopascal suction, making it a breeze to eliminate surface debris and deep-seated dirt. Whether tackling carpets, floors, or pet hair, its performance delivers an outstanding cleaning experience. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of runtime thanks to its 8 high-capacity batteries, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions for any household size. Need more power? An extra battery can be purchased separately for extended use. The innovative self-standing feature keeps the vacuum upright wherever you need it, saving space and offering convenience. Switch to auto mode, and the vacuum automatically boosts suction when transitioning from floors to carpets. Clean smarter, not harder. The intuitive touchscreen allows easy control over ECO, standard, and max modes, giving you flexibility for any cleaning task. Charging is effortless with the wall-mounted charging dock, which also serves as a neat storage solution for included accessories like the crevice brush and dusting brush. If wall mounting isn't your style, simply remove the battery and charge it separately. Number 3. Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience the unmatched cleaning power of the Dyson Cordless Vacuum. Designed for homes with pets and engineered to make cleaning effortless. With powerful Dyson suction and a lightweight design, this vacuum delivers quick, hassle-free cleaning, all without the cord. The detangling motor bar cleaner head tackles both carpets and hard floors, featuring innovative hair removal vanes to keep the brush bar free from long hair and pet hair. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of runtime, giving you the freedom to clean your entire home on a single charge. Versatility is at your fingertips. Easily convert to a handheld vacuum for spot cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. With 4 Dyson-engineered accessories, including the hair screw tool with its anti-tangle conical brush bar, no pet hair or tight space is too challenging. Breathe easier with advanced whole machine filtration, which captures 99.99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns. Number 4. SMOTURE 2 batteries Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Discover the ultimate cleaning power with the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner featuring 2 removable batteries for an incredible 110-minute runtime. Clean your entire home in one go without worrying about power. With no need to purchase extra batteries, enjoy uninterrupted cleaning by simply swapping the 2 batteries as needed. Even in boost mode, you'll get 40 minutes of powerful suction. Equipped with a 450W brushless motor, This vacuum delivers an impressive 40 kilopascal suction power, effortlessly lifting surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. Tackle everyday messes and transform your cleaning routine with this efficient and powerful tool. Thanks to its smart sensors developed in 2025, this cordless stick vacuum automatically adjusts suction based on floor types. In auto mode, it increases suction when transitioning to carpets, ensuring a deep and thorough clean without the need to manually change settings. The all-in-one color touchscreen offers intuitive control over ECO, standard, boost, and auto modes. Monitor battery life, dust cup fullness, and filter maintenance with ease. The multi-layer high-efficiency filtration system captures 99.9% of tiny dust particles, ensuring a cleaner and healthier home environment. Number 5. Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. Experience powerful, intelligent cleaning with the Dyson Cordless Vacuum, designed for whole-home deep cleaning with cutting-edge technology. Delivering 100% more power, this vacuum offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, ensuring every corner of your home is spotless. The power trigger maximizes energy efficiency by delivering power only when needed, while intelligent sensors automatically adjust suction based on debris detected and floor type. The LCD screen provides real-time insights, showing picked-up particles, power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime to the second. Tackle every surface with 2 advanced cleaner heads. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals invisible dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar cleaner head offers deep cleaning on all floor types, expertly detangling long hair and pet hair as you go. For ultimate versatility, convert to a handheld vacuum to clean cars, stairs, and upholstery. The hair screw tool features an anti-tangle conical brush bar, perfect for pet beds, car seats, and tight spaces. With 5 Dyson-engineered accessories, you can clean up high, down low, and everywhere in between. The advanced whole machine filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air in your home. Built with durable, lightweight materials, this vacuum comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.